Are you on TikTok? Even if you don't have TikTok, you are on TikTok. No, really, you are on TikTok. So am I. Everybody on the planet is on TikTok, and you don't even have to belong on TikTok. No, I'm not talking about TikTok, the social media platform. I'm talking about time. You have time. Everybody has time. Everybody has time. So as your acting coach or potential acting coach, let me ask you something. When was the last time you studied for an audition? When was the last time that you chose an audition, that you sought out auditions, that you read that book on acting that you bought and is just sitting on the shelf? When was the last time that you took your life and your acting career seriously? Seriously enough to take action every day, whether you feel like it or not. Now here's a little secret from me to you. Every day when I get up, I have a regimen, I have an agenda, I have a schedule. Do I always want to do that? Am I always fired up? Most of the time, because that's what I focus on every single day. Because I have learned that I'm on TikTok. Dispel the mystery. I'm on a time budget. And so are you. How long is that? I don't know. Everybody's different. And that's the whole point about it. Now, I know life gets in the way. Or does it? What are you focusing on? Let me ask you something today, right now. What are you focusing on besides this video? Thank you very much. What are you focusing on? What did you focus on yesterday that you put off till today, and then you're putting it off for tomorrow? Or maybe you're right on spot. You see, life is life. Life is a matter of priorities. There are major goals and there are minor goals. There are things that we do habitually and things we do on purpose for a purpose because we have a purpose. So if you have stayed with me this far into this video, thank you very much. I'm going to give you some practical tips, acting tips, different things that you can do in order to achieve your goals, accomplish something great, and leave a legacy. It's all about steps, not leaps. So here, number one, grab a pen and a notebook. I have something to tell you that you need to do right now. Number one, journal. Back in my day, maybe they still call it that. They call it my diary. The diary was very personal, and journaling is no different. So, journal every day. What are you going to write? Anything and everything that fills up your subconscious. Perceived wins, perceived losses, what you've learned, how you've grown for the day. Snapshots. This will empty your brain. We have mind trash. Mind trash. That's what we have. Most of the day we collect trash, don't we? Absolutely. Images, things on the internet, things we shouldn't be watching, things that are boring and tedious. Listening to negative people, which we do have a choice about that. Bad relationships that we're in, and for some reason we like to stay in them because it's comfortable. So is a coffin, I think. So let's wrap this up, shall we? Number one was journaling. Journal every single day. Number two, get your RAS moving. That is an acronym I made up myself for me and my students. R is for research. Do your research every day. Keeps your brain going. Okay? Get rid of the mind trash. Research. Possibilities. Market yourself. Number two, A is audition. Audition. Audition, audition. I don't care if you fail. I really don't. Because guess what? You will fail. Of course, if you don't try, that makes it certain that you'll fail. But you learn. That's how you grow. And number three, study. Study, 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 and study. Take improv classes. Talk to your coach. Moi. Ask open-ended questions. And did I say study? Yes, study. Study builds a foundation so you can audition successfully and learn by that. And then you do research because you have some study under your belt and you've auditioned, so that's experience. And then you can research in confidence and approach those agents, approach those casting directors, and you'll have something to offer this industry and you will leave a legacy. If you need a coach, if you have open-ended questions, if you are here curious about becoming an actor or continuing in the industry, contact me, davidthompsoncoaching.co, davidthompsoncoaching.co.